In today's video, I'm going to teach you Embed Web Apps, Content in Word, Web version. If you've ever wanted to keep a video, a form, or a set of slides right inside your document without sending people away to another tab, this is for you. We're working in Word for the web because this feature is designed for the browser-based version of Word. The idea is simple. You copy the link to supported web content, like a YouTube video, a Microsoft Forms survey, or a slide deck, and paste it directly into your document. Word will recognize the link and convert it into an interactive embed you can play with right on the page. Start by grabbing the URL of the content you want to add. Visit the page that hosts your video, form, or slides and copy its full link from the address bar, or use the site's Share option to get a direct link. If you're sharing the document with others, make sure your link permissions are set so your audience can actually view the content. For example, a private video or a form restricted to certain people won't display for readers who don't have access. Next, switch to your Word document in the web browser and paste the URL where you want the content to appear. Give it a second. On supported sites, Word automatically transforms that plain link into an embedded frame. You'll see familiar playback or navigation controls, and the link itself will disappear in favor of the embedded content. If nothing happens and you just see a link, the site might not be supported, the link might require sign-in, or your organization may have policies that block external embeds. Try using the full, unshortened URL, or check the content's sharing settings. Once it's embedded, you can interact with it right inside the document. Press play on a video, flip through slide decks, or fill out a Microsoft Forms questionnaire without leaving the page. You can usually select the embedded block to move it around, resize it if handles appear, or place it between paragraphs so it flows with your text. Keep in mind that embedded items won't print the way regular text does, and may appear as links in exported PDFs. For accessibility, consider adding a short caption beneath the embed with a descriptive title and a fallback link. That's all there is to it. Copy the URL, paste it into Word for the web, and let Word convert it into interactive content you can watch, navigate, or complete right inside your document.